Welcome, students. Today I am going to teach you about a topic, equality. This topic we study in political science in class 11. Firstly, we need to know what is equality. Equality means treating everyone equally. Now, equally means they should be treated fairly with respect no matter what their gender, race, caste, or background is. And it also means that we need to treat them whether they are physically less strong in comparison to us, or more strong, less intelligent, or more intelligent, or any other vital criteria we consider as to make ourselves viable in the society. Lastly, when we talk about equality, we need to know about the access to basic goods and opportunities to realize that what is the potential. When we talk about equality, it is about understanding inequality also. To know about equality, we need to know about inequality also. Why equality is important? The idea of equality has been an important model in the subject of political science. Actually, it is important because it is motivating societies for many centuries. It is a political idea where equality supports belief that every person has same value no matter what is their caste, gender, race, color or nationality, as we have discussed a little while ago. It also recognizes that people facing extreme discrimination are open to inequalities. In their case, we need to know that equality matters. Same type of treatment the person is not getting. So, everybody should be equal. Equality is a common idea. It is found in the constitution and laws of many nations. There are various dimensions of equality. Number one, political equality, social equality, and economic equality. Now, what is political equality? When we are dealing with political equality, we need to know that what are the barriers in political field that might stop people from having say any opinion regarding the government or accessing any benefits. Social equality, it is the social unequal conditions that people are facing. For example, standard of living in a society. Economic inequality, people are facing gaps in wealth, property, income between the groups. There are different groups existing in the society. How to promote equality? There are various ways in which we can promote or implement equality. As there are different dimensions also, there are different ways also we can stop being people facing inequality. So how we can implement them to provide people equality along with justice? And people should have freedom and liberty also along with equality. To make things fair for everyone, it is important to have inclusive rules. Some of them are affirmative actions, equal pay, non-discrimination policies. In education sector, we can have access to cultural sensitivity, human right education, gender sensitivity training. We can also encourage in participation of the several groups or minorities, those who have been excluded from our society for various reasons. There are certain inequalities existing in our country. Number one, disparity of income. There are a section of people who are becoming richer and richer, and another section is getting poorer and poorer. Number two, gender inequality in society, which is very much prevalent nowadays. Still, we can find this are happening. Existing slums. Number four, inequality among educational institutions. We often find some cases of inequality in educational institutions. There are several political ideologies in the study of equality. Number one, Marxism, and number two, liberalism. Karl Marx was an important thinker who argued on the root cause of inequality. According to him, private ownership was an important cause of inequality. For example, ownership of important resources such as oil, land, forest, and other forms of property are the main cause. He pointed out that private ownership did not only make the class of owners wealthy, but it also gave them political power, and this enabled them to influence the state policies and laws. They used to influence the government, they had a strong holding on the government. On the other hand, liberalists believed that they uphold actually the principle of competition as the most efficient and fair way of distributing resources and rewards in the society. For them, as long as the competition is there, actually, there is open and free movement. Inequality is unlikely to happen. So, basically, what we can say is that we should establish equality, and first step towards bringing about equality is ending the formal system of inequality. First we have to identify what are the root causes of inequality, then only we can establish equality in the society. And inequality in forms of social, economic, and political all over the world, to protect customs and legal systems also. To attain equality, we require restrictions, and also we need to give privileges. And that is what the Indian Constitution is doing. Thank you.